Hello watchers and welcome to Disney Doll's House issue 58. So as always, let's have a flick through of the magazine. So we've got our first lighting piece, although it's not my first one because this is a back issue. So don't worry if you've not got some bits that I've already got. It's just because this I didn't receive this issue, so it's a back order. We've got some decorative items as well. So then we've got the assembly instructions on how to put the light together. And then we've got the Magic of Disney Profiling Cinderella. And Magic of Disney Profiling Lady from Lady and the Tramp. And then the Magic of Disney All About Simba. At this point, who doesn't know who Simba is, right? And then we've got the usual blurb at the back, as well as what is coming in issue 59, which is some teacups and teapot for Mickey Mouse's room, and also some bits for Alice's in Wonderland's room, which is actually a light fitting. So let's get on with fitting the light. So the first thing they want you to do is unravel your wire and then stick the sticker number 2, and these are just identifiers, so at the back you can know which light is for which room. And then they want you to take the LED side and stick the chandelier together. Now my chandelier is actually a little bit broken, so I'm going to have to order another one of these, because if you look, there's some white dots where these grey things should be, and they're like bent out of shape. Now they're important because this isn't the final look of the light. There will be a bit that hangs onto those, so I'm going to have needed those. So I'll have to order another one of those, but it's not going to affect how the light works or anything like that, so I'll show you how that works. So you just want to pop the LED light into this first notch, like so, and then make sure the wire is flush, and then line up the other half of the chandelier and then squish it together. Like so. So you've got your light there, and then the wire's coming out that way. And then, if I just adjust my camera, you then just want to thread, so start with the connector side, up into the hole of the frozen room. And then you see on this bit, the two bits that stick out need to line up with the holes at the top. Let's pull that a bit closer. So you can pop the light fitting straight through, and then you want to twist, so then that notch lines up with the groove that's in the roof, so then you can lay the wire flat along there. So then when it comes to putting the floor down, which we do have for this room, one momento. It will actually lay flat. So what I also advise you to do is just tape it down. Now my side's got a little bit scratched up because I have already tested this out, so just be wary of that. But you're not going to see this floor covering anyway, as I've just shown you. But it just helps keep the wires organised and neat. And then that's it. That's the light fixture in place. Now, because I've already got a couple of issues ahead, I can show you what this light looks like when it's actually switched on. Don't worry if you don't have these pieces, as I've said, because I'm a little bit more ahead than you guys. Well, you might not be. it's just because I already have the connecting thing, the light connector, which you will see in a future issue. So let's see what the light looks like. Oh, look at that. It just makes such a big difference. I mean, look at the chair in the background. I know it's broad daylight right now, so it's not going to show up too much, but just the highlights and the shadows that it creates is just, it just brings the thing to life. What can I say? Let's unhook that. So that's it really for the build of the issue, but we have got a very, very, very lovely decorative item for Alice's kitchen, and this is so long awaited because we've got so many little tiny bits for Alice's kitchen, like teacups and things. So I'm like, finally we've got somewhere to put all of these. But this is just lovely. I mean, look at the detail on this. We've got keys for the doors that open up, so we can store stuff in there as well. And then the heart with the crown on the top, and just the colour of this, I do love it as well. The little gold feet. Let's get Alice's kitchen so you can see it quite well. I mean, it's the same colour as the table. So let's just pop him there for a second. And then we've also got 4 of these plates. So more decorative items, but these are really detailed. Even the bottom of them, they've got like pearls around the bottom. Well, not pearls, but you know what I mean, a decorative moulding. And then, of course, some of the flowers that we see in Alice in Wonderland as well. So we'll pop a couple of them up there, like so. Can we get a third one in? Yeah, we can get a third one up there. But it just looks so lovely. And then pop the 4th one there, and then let's pop. Now, I'm not going to be able to do this when you've got the window in. But for the sake of me not moving the table. And it goes along the back like so. But of course, with this, you can put things wherever you want to put things. They don't have to go where the magazine suggests that you do. The other thing I meant to do before putting the ceiling on was stick the shelving on, because now it's going to be a little bit difficult. But hey ho, live and we learn. But yeah, that is it for this issue. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're enjoying the build so far. As always, leave me a comment below if you guys are struggling with anything, or if you just want to leave me any suggestions on how I can customize it or anything like that. By all means, I'm all ears. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.